Well, Saugerties is far from a one-horse town. It is instead a 2,500-horse town, thanks to horse shows in the sun and its founder, Tom Strazzeri. Because of its cultural and economic impact on Ulster County, it is the fifth in our series, Destinations.
President Ronald Reagan once observed that there's nothing so good for the inside of a man as the outside of a horse. Of course, that's been said many different ways, but the idea is the same. Horses touch something inside of us, bringing a calm to our souls.
I agree. Horses have been in my life for my entire life, and I happen to feel that whenever it's in question, when you get close to the horses, the answers are there for you. So it's worked out well for me.
Indeed, it has. Strazzeri has constructed one of the finest horse show companies in the world, the 220-acre Saugerties grounds being part of it. It's just opened for the season on May 22nd, and already it's bustling with muscular, well-trained animals and their poised riders. This marks HIT's 10th season in Saugerties, and anticipation is high as competitions get underway featuring, in some cases, Olympic medalists or even those just learning the sport.
So a very eclectic group of horses and riders that come to the horse shows here in Saugerties. And so by virtue of having so many riding areas, we're able to offer so many different levels of competition.
HITS sponsors hunter-jumper horse shows not only in New York, but in California, Florida, Arizona, and Virginia. Saugerties will draw up to 2,500 horses before the season ends in September and will offer the biggest purse in the sport of show jumping, totaling almost $2 million. On weekdays, spectators can get in for free.
For very little money, or for no money at all, you get to see some of the best riders in the world right here to Saugerties.
People like Neil Shapiro, a silver and bronze medalist at the 1972 Munich Olympics, is now taking his students to compete at HITS. As a former champion himself, he said he considers the HITS grounds extraordinary for his student athletes and their horses.
Well, every year it gets better and better. It was just built and designed for this type of event, and every year they just improve it as they go along.
Whether they're famous or well-known, novices or children, it's a pretty good bet that the athletes, like the horses themselves, will be staying hungry to win over the next 9 weeks. In Saugerties, I'm Paula Mitchell for the Daily Freeman.